Welcome to Recovery Recipes, a series of short bite-sized ideas and ingredients to help support the hospitality industry to recover from the recent pandemic. I am Mark Elliott, MD of marketing agency sparksforgrowth.com. My team and I specialise in marketing for the hospitality sector. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Shaun, who is an email marketing and automation campaign specialist who works with many customers in the hospitality sector. So hi Shaun, and welcome.
Hi Mark, nice to meet you on the call.
And you too. Can I ask you, what advice would you offer to hospitality professionals as an experienced email marketing specialist to help hospitality businesses recover in the next few weeks and months ahead?
Thanks Mark. And in their actual facility, and that works on a three-step rule of making sure that you're hitting the right message to the right people at the right time. Now, there are fundamentals behind that based on the opt-in consumable data that comes in with the sign-ups, and also the actual segmentation of the consumer and what stage they're at within the life cycle of using your business, and then making sure it's at the right time. So the right timing at the moment is obviously when we do open up a bit more, coming based on if they have or haven't attended a gym, for example. It might be that you want your returning members to come back, enjoy that feeling again, or new prospects, what they're missing out on.
Okay, and so in terms of, you have to have a strategy ready to get the existing customers to retain them and re-engage them, and obviously to attract new customers for acquisition side. And what sort of practical tips right now, as spas aren't open yet, gyms are very limited on their opening, but in terms of other sides of the businesses that are opening right now, so for restaurants and for the food and beverage side, bars, and so on and so forth, and also for hotel bookings, how would you kind of look at a strategy for the right comms for right now?
So it works in the three-step rule of, like you're saying, it's the acquisition strategy, the engagement strategy, and conversions. And those three overlay in terms of how you're going to grow the list, engage with them via a welcome series to making sure that the consumer's got everything they need to convert with you as a business. So if there's someone signs up to your mailing list via the growth means of the newsletter or a pop-up on their first purchase with you, whether it's their first visit, you're then part of your strategy to convert them. So you need to convert them by thanking for them to signing up. Don't forget to use your code. We look forward to seeing you. Here's a list of our restaurants near you, or our menu, for example. And we really look and just include like Instagram visualization, and then conversions, looking at conversions of how do we convert them. But again, people not using their code to push them to drive their code first engagement, bring in some imagery to really get them excited about salivating about going to sit into a restaurant again. And then the third thing is, if they have actually converted, how you then retain them. So get them to retain their business. So look at the segmentation piece of what do they like buying, when did they attend. So if for example they purchased a bundle, for example, or a specific part of the menu or the service as a gym, get them to come back to personalize on what they like, bring them back in to say, hey Mark, come back.
And what specific messages or sort of could be useful right now, do you think, in terms of trying to get people to encourage to come back? Because I guess that's the challenge, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess within the current climate is getting back to the whatever our normality is, and having that to bring them back to the normality of going back to their favorite restaurants and why they like going back to their favorite gym, and the feeling of being part of their interests and hobbies, and incorporating the changes back into their normality. So the messaging being is not just the standard, we are open, we are, we're making sure that we're social distancing and cleanliness. That would be the raw core fundamentals. That's not why you go to these places. You'd expect those, but ideally you just want to get them excited again.
I totally agree. Shaun, that's been brilliant, and I'm sure you could talk and I could talk a lot more about that. Email marketing is a huge subject, as we know, and it really does encompass how to really directly engage someone to their inbox. So to contact Shaun, please go to the email-postman.co.uk or LinkedIn and search for Shaun Reynolds. I'd like to finish off by saying, Shaun and I wish you all the best to restart your businesses in the hospitality sector. And I hope these recipe ingredients help you on that journey. For more ingredients and recipes, please follow the hashtag RecoveryRecipe2020. And we look forward to talking to you either individually, together, to help you out with any further advice. Thank you very much, Shaun, as well.
Thanks again, Mark.